we are bringing new talent into the field. It really delights me that when I go to the annual investigator meetings, whether that's the Safari annual meeting, the Plasticity and the Aging Brain annual meeting, and the fellows give talks, and they're incredibly well received and they're exciting science. And so I'm already seeing that there's an infusion of new ideas into an existing scientific field.
I really wanted to understand how animals behave and how whatever is going on in our brain, if that was the thing, is linked to our actions. I was always interested in research. I always wanted to continue doing research. And at some point, the only pathway for me to continue doing research at the end of your postdoc is if you start your own lab.
The Fellows to Faculty program is designed to help senior postdocs transition to an independent research career. And it's specifically senior postdocs whose background and experiences are underrepresented in science.
The goal is to identify those young scientists who are interested in working in a field that's relevant or related to the autism or one of the neuroscience collaborations. Both of them are ways of bringing people together, scientists from different backgrounds, to address deep questions, whether that's about autism, whether that's about brain aging, whether that's about new emerging ideas that we'll be funding through new neuroscience collaborations.
What I hope, like my big picture aim, is really if we understand enough how in different conditions of aging, memory impairment throughout our lives, or different cognitive motor challenges, how this interaction changes, we might be able to better understand and develop and test interventions to promote healthy cognitive aging. So that's the direction that I want to go in now. Having an extra pool of funds that would support the startup of the lab, it's going to be a big positive impact.
It allowed me to really put this idea I had of kind of pivoting my research towards neurodevelopmental disorders to really do it in the best possible way and to really give me the best path forward to do that, both in terms of really giving me support to make that transition in a kind of well thought out way and giving me all the instruments to do it.
Aging research is not, the cost is not true. And so one of the things that was almost cost prohibitive for me was coming up with the funds to do this line of research while also exploring some of the other interests that I'm funded to do. And so by getting this Fellows to Faculty Award, I can now afford to do this research. And then also, I have collaborators and experts throughout the broad Simons collaboration and plasticity and aging brain community that I can reach out to help give guidance when analyzing my work.
It really, really impacted or enabled me, encouraged me to think in directions that I wouldn't have otherwise. Just being in this less stressed position enabled me to make more connections to the motor neuro community and learn a lot from that direction as well. So that process happened after I got the Simons Fellowship.